Hi guys, in this video I will share with you how to hide category label from Instagram profile. What you need to do, first just go to Instagram app and then just click in your profile picture on the bottom right. After that, edit profile and then just scroll down and click profile display, and then here display category label, just turn it off. After that, click done. This is what you need to do if you want to hide category label from Instagram profile. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.